could you give me kind of an overview or maybe a couple tips on how people can practice mindfulness? So let's say somebody has wounds or grudges that they just can't let go of, maybe trauma from past relationships, or something that's always been eating away at them. Can you give us some tips on how people can deal with that?
Like just for example, if there's a great loss or accident would had happened in the past, still people are carrying the grudges and the thought of the wound, so
Hmm.
therefore they are not able to let go and disconnect with the thought of the past. So the good tips I can say, like it's better to bring into the present moment awareness with the help of the focus on awareness of the breath, at the top of the nostril while breathing, while breathe out, because breath is a life force energy. Another practice which is very important, like they can be more grateful for whatsoever things are available into the present moment awareness. Just for example, if they have families, if they have wife, so he should engage and occupied into the present moment awareness. Just for example, he can interact with his family member, he can go for the picnic, he can go for group activities where he can do some kind of laughing meditation. Why?
Hmm.
Because he can be totally aware and mindful into the present moment awareness, and he can easily let go and disconnect with the thought of the past or the future. Other than that, one very important tips, like he can go to the nature and connect with the nature. Why? Because the sunshine, the water, the air, it is already available into the present moment awareness. So when we are being grateful for whatsoever things are available, which is free of cost, what will
Hmm.
happen? We can easily let go and disconnect with the thought of the wound or the grudges very easily. So that's what I look at the things. Yeah.
So if I'm hearing you correctly, basically it's really take a focus on your breathing, put yourself in outside in nature somewhere, and really focus on what's happening now, and don't focus too much on the past, right?
Yes, 100%. Yeah.
Awesome, perfect. Okay, cool.